Is Sunday! Kakatapos lang namin magsimba. Tapos, where are we going after?
Whitney?
Punta kami diner.
Yeah!
Gusto daw nila ulit mag-diner.
But why are we home though?
May nagpakuha lang ako ng jacket kay Joseph.
Because you
Kasi-
forgot your jacket.
Kasi, sabi ni Daddy, after natin mag-diner, punta tayo sa playground. Hindi ko pa kaya medyo, ano naman na, 50s, pero pag humangin kasi malamig. Wait lang.
Be right back, y'all.
Oo.
You'll be right back.
Itim o pula?
Itim, Daddy.
Okay, sige po.
Going to the playground?
Yes. Are you okay with
Where?
that? Or do you want another?
I'm fine with that.
You're fine with your sweater?
But I want jacket. It's kind of
yung-
cold.
You want jacket?
Yeah.
Or
Mama, you gotta wear jacket.
or you're baka kasi pag nilagyan kita ng jacket, pagdating doon, huwabarin mo.
Can you please
Kasi
speak English?
wala pa akong energy. English agad. Ay, nakatira kami sa malapit sa Riles.
Trano!
Hindi ko sure kung kita yung train. Kita kaya yung train?
Wait, Mom,
Ayan.
remember when
Should we
I
tell
sent
them
you
the
that
unexpected? Should we tell them about the aso?
Oh, tell them the aso.
So when I was trying to sleep last night,
Ay, speak Tagalog daw kasi sa Philippines to eh. Philippines!
Mom,
Say G. Okay, go. Ay, Daddy's nandiyan. Diyan na si Dad.
remember last night?
Oo.
last night when I was trying to sleep, I heard dogs barking,
Oo.
which is really unexpected because there wasn't really nothing outside. My mom said that they were giving birth. Like what?
Yeah, parang may nanganganak na aso kagabi. It's
It could be that
like,
household.
kasi nakasurround kami sa mga bahay na maraming aso talaga. Maraming aso. Hindi halos lahat sila may aso kami.
I mean,
Ay,
we
sabi
do
mo
see
yun before?
huskies sometimes.
Mom,
Yes!
remember when
kumakain
we were
dun.
going grocery shopping last time and I was eating a fudgy bar and I said, I wish there were scissors in here, and then
You wish what?
said,
I wish there were scissors now.
and then Dad said, use your teeth, and then I was like, too bad, too sad, I already opened it. Remember?
Yes.
Scooters!
Yan, kasi ang tagal na namin diba, sa bahay
was
lang
that?
kasi winter. Ngayon, winter pa rin naman, hindi pa official spring.
Yay!
Pero yung feels
We're going
niya,
jogging?
pwede nang
Yes.
pwede nang maglaro sa labas. Okay, let's go!
A lot of things.
When we wake up early, we get to eat where?
Almost anywhere. Yeah.
I'm gonna hold the camera.
Today's gonna be an exciting day.
Brush up your hair.
I could feel it.
There. Show mommy how to brush your hair. You show the camera. Again. Again. They didn't see it.
That one has peppers, tomatoes, gyro meat, feta steps.
Okay.
That one?
Okay.
And then
Well, we come from breakfast.
toast, pancakes for the pita.
It looks so good.
That's the one that has ham, peppers, and onions. The Western has the ham, peppers, onions, tomatoes, and cheese.
Oh, one area, chairlift, okay, chairlift.
The Western with toasted pancakes.
A few moments later.
Hey, that jug? That jug?
Dun sa loob ng Go!
Wait, I'm waiting for the.
Yes! Ayan, meron dito pang pickleball, tennis, ganyan. So, basa yung court pero may, yan, pwede ka, libre lang yan, pwede ka mag first come, first serve. Ay, hala, may pumasok sa mata ko. Yan, layo na nung dalaw. Sage, what's that? Come back! Kenji! Kenj! Seiji! Kenj!
I got him.
Yeah, you're kulit, ha?
Huh?
Kenji's kulit. Go. Another round.
Alright. Wait, we get to do a full lap?
Yeah. Circle. Go back here. Ikaw kulit ka, ha? I'm calling you, ah.
I didn't hear him. I was far away.
I know, that's why I'm calling you. Because you're too far from me. But you won't stop.
I didn't hear you.
Okay, go. Go, do another lap.
But I don't wanna.
Why?
Yes. I have to take my breath.
Take a breath? Ano? What?
Move this for a while. It's hurt.
You're done?
I'll put this computer.
Ayaw niya na, pagod na siya. Gusto niya na dun sa playground. Tapos na siya mag-scooter. Ang ganda ng ilaw dito. Ilaw ng sun. Nakaka-happy talaga pag may araw na, no? Bumabalik na yung energy mo. Energy. Quality. Ayun, so pupunta na kami sa playground. Hindi na ako masyadong makagba-vlog doon kasi marami ng bata. Ang hirap mag-blur. Blur.
Hello, friends. I'm going to scooter over to Hill Park.
Hindi ko makita na ka.
Wonder why? How are you gonna go there? But there's a trail there to Hill Park.
Hindi ko sure kung narinig niyo yung sinabi niya. Ayun. So, ayun. Thank you so much for watching. Till our next video. Bye.